See, next fourth problem. If x equal to y into cos of 2 pi by 3 equal to z into cos 4 pi by 3, then xy plus yz plus zx equal to previous problem. So first assume each ratio is equal to 1 by k or k. So by equating these two, 1 by x equal to k. By equating these two, 1 by y equal to k into cos 2 pi by 3. By equating these two, 1 by z equal to k into cos 4 pi by 3. So by adding these three, get required 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equal to. By taking k common, those three terms, 1 plus cos 2 pi by 3 plus cos 4 pi by 3. LCM is xyz yz plus zx plus xy equal to k into 1. 2 pi by 3 is 120 degrees. Cos 120 degrees value minus 1 by 2. 4 into 60, 240. Cos 240 degrees also minus 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1, 0 into k, 0. So by cross multiplication, yz plus zx plus xy equal to 0. So required answer is 0. Fifth one, if secant theta plus tan theta equal to 1.5, then theta belongs to dash. Means first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So theta a quadrant lo kavalante manaki we have to find any two trigonometric ratios, sin cos or sin tan or cos tan or cos sin cos tan. Of these three, if we know any two values, means particularly sines of, if we know sines of any two trigonometric ratios of these three, then we can decide the quadrant. Angulize. See, secant theta plus tan theta is 1.5 means 3 by 2. Then secant theta minus tan theta. Secant plus tan is x, secant minus tan is 1 by x. Therefore 2 by 3. By adding these two, get secant theta, and by subtracting, get tan theta. See, equation 1, equation 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2 implies plus. By adding these two, tan minus tan cancel, 2 secant theta. 3 by 2 plus 2 by 3 is 13 by 6. Therefore, secant theta equal to 13 by 12. This is positive. Okay, secant theta positive means that one lies in first quadrant or fourth quadrant. By subtract, get tan theta. Secant cancel, tan theta minus of minus tan theta, 2 tan theta equal to 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3. 9 minus 4. 5 by 6. Therefore, tan theta is 5 by 12. This is also positive. Tan theta positive means first quadrant or third quadrant. So, what is common one? First quadrant. So, secant theta positive and tan theta positive only when theta belongs to first quadrant. So, answer first quadrant. Next, sixth problem. If secant theta equal to 5x plus 1 by 20x, then secant theta plus tan theta equal to, secant theta is defined as 5x plus 1 by 20x, then the value of secant plus tan, they can ask, see the value of secant theta or tan theta, they will give the values of secant theta and tan theta, they can ask what is secant plus tan and secant minus tan. See, first I multiply with 2 on both sides, 2 secant theta equal to 2 secant theta equal to 10x plus 1 by 10x. 2 secant theta can be expressed as secant theta plus tan theta plus secant theta minus tan theta. Again, secant theta minus tan theta can be expressed as 1 by secant theta plus tan theta. So this is equal to 10x plus 1 by 10x. This can be expressed as 1 by 10x plus 10x. Again, 10x can be expressed as 1 by 10x. Okay. See, we have secant plus tan plus 1 by secant plus tan equal to 10x plus 1 by 10x or 1 by 10x plus 1 by 10x. So by equating corresponding values, by compare these two, the value of secant plus tan theta is 10x. By compare these two, the value of secant plus tan theta is 1 by 10x. Thus, final answer required secant plus tan value 10x or 1 by 10x. See, if we have any equation x plus 1 by x equal to y plus 1 by y, then possible values of x are y or 1 by y, because this by compare these to x equal to y. Again, this can be expressed as 1 by y plus y. Y means 1 by y. Now by compare x equal to 1 by y. So if we have x plus 1 by x equal to y plus 1 by y form equation, then we can write x equal to y or 1 by y. See, next similar problem, 7th one. If tan theta equal to p minus 1 by 4p, then secant theta minus tan theta equal to, see, secant tan theta can be expressed as secant theta plus tan theta minus of secant theta minus tan theta. Okay. See, secant cancel, tan minus of minus plus tan 2 tan theta. But here we need secant minus tan. So we have to express secant plus tan in terms of secant minus tan. In the above we need secant plus tan. That's why I am expressing secant minus tan in terms of secant plus tan. Therefore, this can be expressed as 1 by secant theta minus tan theta minus of secant theta minus tan theta equal to p minus 1 by 4p. This can be, first multiply with 2. First multiply with 2 tan theta equal to 2p minus 1 by 2p. Therefore, secant cancel, tan minus of minus 2 tan theta. Therefore, this is 2p minus 1 by 2p. Okay. So, equal to 2p minus 1 by 2p, or this can be expressed as minus 1 by 2p plus 2p. Plus 2p can be expressed as minus 1 by 2p. See, both are same. Minus 1 by 2p, minus minus plus 1 by 2p is this one. So here my intention, I am expressing this one in the form of x minus 1 by x. Now by compare, in the place of secant minus tan theta, there is 1 by 2p or this one. Therefore, secant theta minus tan theta values, by compare these two, 1 by 2p, by compare these two, so this is nothing but minus of minus plus 1 by 2p is plus 2p. Therefore, answer minus 1 by minus, okay. Now see, in the place of secant theta minus tan theta, there is 1 by 2p is 2p minus, so minus 2p. So possible values of secant minus tan, 1 by 2p or minus 2p. See next problem, 8th one. If sin x plus sin square x plus sin cube x equal to 1, then cos power 6x minus 4 cos power 4x plus 8 cos square x equal to. Okay. So relation between sine ratios, then required in terms of cos. Relation between cos ratios implies relation between in terms of cos and sine model. First to see this one in given equation implies send this one to right side, sin x plus sin cube x equal to 1 minus the sin square x is cos square x. Now degree of this one is 3. But degree of this one is 6. So to obtain that one, we have to squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, sin square plus sin power 6 plus 2 sin power 4 equal to cos power 4. Required contain only cos terms, but this one contains sin terms. So we have to express each sin ratio in terms of cos ratio. Clear? Sin square is 1 minus cos square. Sin power 6 means sin square whole cube. Again sin square is 1 minus cos square. Sin power 4 means sin square whole square. Sin square is 1 minus cos square whole square, cos power 4. So 1 minus cos square, a minus b whole cube formula, a cube minus b cube minus 3 a square into b plus 3 a into b square. So 1 minus cos square whole square, a minus b whole square formula, 1 plus cos power 4 minus 2 cos square equal to cos power 4. Now send all to right side. Highest cos power 6 term. Send to right side cos power 6. Next count cos power 4. 3 cos power 4 plus 2 cos power 4, 5 cos power 4. Cos power 4 minus 5 cos power 4 minus 4 cos power 4. Next count number of cos squares. Minus cos square minus 3 is cos square minus 4 cos square minus 4 cos square minus 8 cos square. Send to right side plus 8 cos square. That is required. Now answer this one plus this one, 2 plus 2. So answer 4. See next is similar problem, 9th one. If sin theta plus sin square theta equal to 1, and the value of a cos power 12 theta plus b cos power 10 theta plus c cos power 8 theta plus d cos power 6 theta minus 1 equal to 0. Then the value of b plus c by a plus d equal to same concept. Send this one to other side. Sin equal to 1 minus sin square cos square. Now squaring on both sides. Sin square equal to cos power 4. Again sin square is 1 minus cos square equal to cos power 4. This one implies cos power 4 plus cos square equal to 1. Now degree of this one is 4. But degree of this equation is 12. So to obtain that one, we have to cubing on both sides. A plus b whole cube formula. A cube plus b square b cube plus 3a square into b plus 3a into b square equal to 1 cube value 1. Now send this one to left side. Minus 1 equal to 0. This is one question equation. But given this is given equation. By compare these two, get the values of a, b, c and d. B is coefficient of cos power 10. Cos power 10 coefficient to 3. C is coefficient of cos power 8. Coefficient of cos power 8 is 3. By a is coefficient of cos power 12, that is 1. Next d is coefficient of cos power 6, that is equal to 1. 6 by 2 is 3. Okay. See 10th one. If cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta, then the value of cos theta plus sin theta equal to, ఇవి చాలా క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు. 2 మెథడ్స్. ఒక మెథడ్ లో చేస్తే ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ వస్తాయి. మళ్ళీ అక్కడ ప్లస్ తీసుకోవాలా మైనస్ తీసుకోవాలా కన్ఫ్యూజన్. సో సెకండ్ బెస్ట్ మెథడ్ ఏంటంటే సిడి గివెన్ ఈక్వేషన్ 3 టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. కాస్ సైన్ సైన్. ఈ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ రైట్ సైడ్ కామన్ గా ఉంటుంది చూసుకోండి. sin theta కామన్. సో send this one to other side, take sin theta కామన్. సో గివెన్ ఈక్వేషన్ implies cos theta equal to root 2 sin theta plus sin theta. By taking sin theta common, get root 2 plus 1. So first step చూడండి. Both sides ఒక టర్మ్ గాని ఒక నంబర్ గాని కామన్ ఉంటుంది. దాన్ని రైట్ సైడ్ తీసుకెళ్ళి కామన్ తీయండి. Now rationalize this part. Means multiply with root 2 minus 1 on both sides. Root 2 minus 1 into cos theta equal to root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1 is 1. Next step లో ఆన్సర్ చేస్తుంది. 2 things और this के common v2 rationalize చేస్తే next step లో ఆన్సర్. Next step ఏంటి ఆన్సర్ రిక్వైర్డ్ cos theta plus sin theta. So minus 1 into cos theta. This one implies root 2 into cos theta equal to minus 1 cos theta. Set that right side. Cos theta plus sin theta. So required cos plus sin equal to root 2 into cos theta. Okay. See next similar problem, 11th one. If sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 2 into cos theta, then the value of 2 cos theta minus sin theta equal to. Same concept. See the given equation, cos theta common, send this one to this side and take cos theta common, sin equal to root 2 cos theta minus cos theta is root 2 minus 1 into cos theta. Now rationalize this part, means multiply with root 2 plus 1 on both sides. Root 2 plus 1 into sin equal to, root 3, that is, therefore root 3 minus 1. Multiply with root 3 plus 1. Root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 is 2. 3 minus 1, 2 cos theta. Therefore required root 3 sin theta equal to 2 cos theta minus this sin theta. So the value of 2 cos theta minus sin theta is root 3 sin theta. Okay. Next is similar one, 12th one. See, if 8 cos x plus 15 sin x equal to 15, then the value of 8 sin x minus 15 cos x equal to. See the given equation. Of these 15 common on left hand side, right hand side. Therefore, send this one to that side. Take 15 common. 8 cos equal to 15 minus 15 sin x. By taking 15 common, get 1 minus sin. Now rationalize this one. 1 minus sin. So multiply and divide. Multiply with 1 plus sin x on both sides. 8 cos 1 plus sin equal to 15 into 1 plus sin into 1 minus sin is 1 minus sin square is cos square. Now cos x one time cancel on both sides. Now we have 8 plus 8 sin equal to 15 cos. Now required 8 sin minus 15 cos. Therefore required 8 sin x minus 15 cos x equal to minus 8. So answer minus 8. So remember the working rule. Next, 13th one. E to the power of sin square x plus sin power 4x plus sin power 6x plus up to infinity into log 2 equal to 8 and x lies between 0 and pi by 2. Then the value of cos x by cos x plus sin x equal to basics related to this one. మీకు బిట్ కోర్స్ లో చెప్పాను ఉంటారు. ఇన్ కేస్ అప్పుడు అందరూ లేకపోతే చూడండి. JP, geometric progression. Form of geometric progression: A, AR, AR square, AR cube, and so on. So JP means second term by first term equal to second term by first term is R. Third one by second one is also R. Fourth one by third one is also R. See. Thus, form of GP, A, AR, AR square, AR cube, and so on. Now, here required sum of infinite number of terms of GP. A plus AR plus AR square plus AR cube plus and so on up to infinite number of terms. Formula for infinite number of terms of GP formula A by 1 minus R. A is first term, R is common ratio. That is second term by first term or third term by second term etc. So ఈ ఫార్ములా ఇందులో యూజ్ చేస్తాం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్ లాగరిథమిక్ ప్రాపర్టీస్, ఇవి కూడా బేసిక్స్ లో చెప్పే ఉంటారు. సో మర్చిపోయినా కొందరు వినకపోయినా స్కూల్లో వస్తాయి ఆల్రెడీ. మెయిన్ 4 ప్రాపర్టీస్. log of a into b equal to log a plus log b. Log AB equal to log A plus log B. Can extend this one. Suppose there are 3 numbers log A, B, C equal to log A plus log B plus log C. Suppose there are 4 numbers A, B, C, D. Log of A, B, C, D equal to log A plus log B plus log C plus log D, etc. Next, log of A by B is log A minus log B. Next, log of A power n into log A, n into log A. So you regularly use చేస్తాము, బట్ ఇక్కడ యూజ్ చేసేది ఏంటంటే e to the power of logarithm of f of x equal to f of x. ఇది ప్రాపర్టీ. e power log of f of x is any definable function, then e power log f of x is f of x, e power log sin x is sin x, e power log cos x is cos x, e power log tan x is tan x. Now see this problem, e to the power of, clearly they are in GP. Check, second term by first term is sin square x, third one by second one is also sin square x, etc. Infinite number of terms. Sum of infinite number of terms of GP formula A by 1 minus R. A is first term, R is common ratio, that is second term by first term. So by using that formula, A means sin square by 1 minus common ratio is also sin square into this log 2 equal to 8. So 1 minus sin square is cos square. Sin square by cos square is tan square into log 2. So from this property, see, n into log a equal to log a power n. Front ఉన్న n ని a power లో రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ ఫ్రంట్ ఏముంది tan square x ని, tan square x ని 2 పవర్ లో రాసుకోవచ్చు. e to the power of log of 2 power tan square x equal to 8. So e power log f of x is f of x. E power log this one is f of x. So in the place of f of x here 2 power tan square x. Therefore 2, this LHS is 2 power tan square x from that last one. So base is 2. 8 is 2 cube. So bases are equal. We can equate powers. Tan square x equal to 3. Therefore tan x equal to root 3. Therefore x equal to 60 degrees. So x value is 60 degrees. Now required cos x by cos x plus sin x. Cos 60 1 by 2. Cos 60 1 by 2. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Therefore 1 by root 3 plus 1. See next 14th one. This is a previous advanced problem. First new pattern వచ్చిన problem. More than one answer type వచ్చిన problem. See the problem. If x equal to sigma n equal to 0 to infinity cos power 2nx, cos power 2n theta, and y equal to sigma n equal to 0 to infinity sin power 2n theta, z equal to sigma n equal to 0 to infinity cos power 2n theta into sin power 2n theta, then x into y into z equal to then the value of x into y into z equal to, see the optionals. First optional xy plus z, second optional xz plus y, third optional x plus y plus z, fourth optional yz plus x. More than one answer type. So U pattern, first batch kitchen problem. See, x equal to, I have opened this sigma. When n is 0, cos power 0 value 1. When n is 1, cos square. When n is 2, cos power 4 theta up to infinity. Clearly they are in GP. Sum of infinite terms of GP formula. A by 1 minus r. A is first term 1 by 1 minus r. R value second term by first term means cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. This is nothing but cosecant square theta. Thus x equal to cosecant square theta. Similarly y, open this sigma. When n is 0, sin power 0 1. When n is 1, sin square. When n is 2, sin power 4, and so on. So sum of an infinite GP formula a by 1 minus r. 1 minus sin square means cos square. 1 by cos square means secant square theta. Next z. When n is 0, cos power 0 1, sin power 0 1, so 1. When n is 1, cos square into sin square. When n is 2, cos power 4 into sin power 4 up to infinity. Infinite GP a by 1 minus r. R means cos square into sin square. Second term by first term. Okay. Now required is relation among x, y, z required. So this is the value of z. 1 by 1 minus cos square. See, from this y equal to 1 by cos square. From this y equal to 1 by cos square. Cos square equal to 1 by y. So this cos square can replace with 1 by y. Similarly, x equal to 1 by sin square theta. Therefore, sin square theta is 1 by x. So this sin square can replace with 1 by x. So by simplify LCM xy by xy minus 1. So by cross multiplication xyz minus z equal to xy. Therefore xyz equal to xy plus z. So required xyz equal to xy plus z. So one of the options. ఇంకొక ఆప్షన్ వస్తుందేమో చూడాలి. బట్ మోర్ దాన్ వన్ ఆన్సర్ టైప్ ప్రాబ్లం కదా. xy plus z అనేది దీనికి ఈక్వల్ అవ్వచ్చా, దీనికి ఈక్వల్ అవ్వచ్చా, దీనికి ఈక్వల్ అవ్వచ్చా అది కూడా చూడాలి. చూడండి, x into y equal to x plus y అవుతుంది చూడండి. What is x? Cosecant square theta. What is y? Secant square theta. So one of the applications of identity, secant square theta plus cosecant square theta equal to secant square theta into cosecant square theta. Already చూసాం, ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ క్లాస్ లో చూసాం ఆల్రెడీ, క్లాస్ 2 లో. So secant square plus cosecant square equal to secant square into cosecant square. So here x into y. X into y means cosecant square theta into secant square theta. From that formula, that is cosecant square theta plus secant square theta. Again, that is nothing but x plus y plus z. So two options, first option and third option. Okay. See 15th one. If 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to pi and 81 power sine square theta plus 81 to the power cos square theta equal to 30, then the values of theta. This is also more than one answer type problem. Options 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 120 degrees, 150 degrees. Important model. Some value power sine square, some value power cos square equal to some constant. Implies they can ask what is the angle. ఈ ఇంటర్వల్ చేంజ్ చేస్తారు 0 to pi, 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 4 pi ఎక్సెట్రా. అంటే మోర్ దాన్ వన్ ఆన్సర్ అయితే సింగిల్ ఆన్సర్ అయితే డైరెక్ట్ గా 0 to pi by 2 అని ఇస్తారు మనకి. See given equation 81 power sine square plus 81 power cos square equal to 30. So 81 power sine square plus 81 power cos square means 1 minus sine square. Implies 81 power sine square plus 81 power 1 minus sine square can be expressed as 81 by 81 power sine square. I am assuming 81 power sine square theta value some y. This y అని assume చేసుకుంటాం. Then that equation becomes y plus 81 by y equal to 30. So by simplify y square 30y send to left side minus 30y plus 81 equal to 0. So factors of this one clearly 81 means y minus 27y minus 3y. So then factors are tells me good 10th class. So by taking y common from first two terms, y minus 27, by taking minus 3 common, get y minus 27. So again by taking y minus 27, get y minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, values of y are 3 or 27. So we have discussed two cases. If y equal to 3, what is y actually? Y is 81 power sine square theta. So 81 power sine square theta equal to 3. On right hand side 3, so we have to express 81 in terms of 3. 81 is nothing but 3 power 4. 3 power 4 whole power sine square theta means 3 power 4 sine square theta equal to 3 power 1. Bases are equal. By equating powers, 4 sine square theta equal to 1. Sine square theta equal to 1 by 4. Sine theta equal to 1 by 2 cos 2. Sine theta 1 by 2 cos 2 means first quadrant or second quadrant. For 1 by 2 in first quadrant angle 30 degrees. Pi by 6 means 30 degrees. So angle in second quadrant is 180 minus theta. 180 minus 30 means 150 degrees. So in this case possible values are 150 and 30 degrees. Next to y value. Second y value 27. Y equal to 27. Y is the value of 81 power sine square. So we can express each base in terms of 3. 81 means 3 power 4. 3 power 4 whole square sine square. 3 power 4 sine square equal to 3 cube. So bases are equal. By equating powers, 4 sine square equal to 3. Sine square equal to 3 by 4. Sin x equal to root 3 by 2 is also cos 2. So first quadrant or second quadrant. For root sin theta is root 3 by 2 means 60 degrees. Angle in second quadrant 180 minus theta means 180 minus 60 means 120 degrees. In this case possible angles are 60 degrees, 120. Therefore 4 options are right. Okay. See, next 16th problem. If cos x equal to tan y and cot y equal to tan z, cot z equal to tan x, then the value of sin x. Okay. See, so three relations are given. Required is sin x. So required contain angle x. So we have to eliminate to y and z. So by using these three equations, we can eliminate y and z. Start from cos x. Cos x is tan y. Tan y is 1 by cot y. See. Cos x is tan y. Cot y is tan z. Then tan y is cot z. Cot z equal to tan x. See. Cos x is tan y. Starting. Cot y is tan z means tan y is cot z. From that cot z is tan x. Finally, we have cos x equal to tan x. Tan x means sin x by cos x. By cross multiplication, cos square x equal to sin square x. Cos square x is 1 minus sin square x. Send on to right side, get quadratic in the variable sin x. So sin square, s stand for sin x. Sin square plus sin minus 1 equal to 0. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. No factors, no rational factors, sorry, no integral factors. Therefore, in that case, we can find the value of x by using formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2d. All of you know this formula. Formula for roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2d. So by compare, a value 1, b is 1, c is minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus of minus plus 4 by 2. Therefore, minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2. So, values of sin x are minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2. But minus case is not possible because root 5 value 2.23. Minus 1 minus 2.23 by 2 equal to minus 3.23 by 2 equal to minus 1.6. But sin theta value always lies between minus 1 and plus 1. This is less than minus 1. Therefore, minus case not possible. But plus case possible. Minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. Minus 1 plus root 5 by 2 is 0 point some value. I simplify. So, possible value of sin x is root 5 minus 1 by 2. So, tomorrow we will discuss some more problems.